Hello everyone, I'm Joana. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, please consider subscribing. Welcome to the 30-day Yoga and Pilates Challenge, 15 minutes a day. It is day 1. We are starting with yoga. Yoga for heart opening. Starting in seated cross position, relax your shoulders. Let go any tension. Just focus on the present moment and inhale deeply through the nose. Exhale through the nose. Set an intention for today's practice. It can be a word or a phrase. Inhale, lift arms straight up and exhale down. Inhale up and exhale down. Inhale and exhale, stretch to the right. Inhale up, exhale, stretch to the left. And release. Cross your fingers behind you and open your chest. Place your hands on your knees. Inhale, dive in. Look up, open your chest. Exhale, chin to chest, around your back. Inhale, dive in. We are doing the cat-cow stretch here in seated position. Exhale, round your back. Inhale, dive in. Exhale, chin to chest, around your back. Inhale, dive in. Neutral spine position. Place your hands on your mat and tabletop position. Again, cat-cow stretch here. Inhale, press into the palms. And exhale, let the head drop. Gaze between your knees around the spine. Inhale, drop belly towards mat. Gaze upward, open collarbone. Exhale, round the spine. Let the head drop. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. And neutral spine position. Now extend the left arm and the right opposite leg. Leg parallel to the floor. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up. Now reach for the opposite toe. Grab and open the chest. And release. We're going to repeat on the other side. So opposite arm and leg. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Hold. Reach for your toes behind your back and open. And feel the stretch in your chest, in your back, in your quads. Release. Inhale, open the left arm up. And now exhale, thread the needle, place the arm down. And now you can even go deeper into the stretch and placing the other arm behind your back. Inhale up. One more time. Inhale and open the arm and switch arms. Now inhale, lift the right arm up. Exhale, thread the needle, place the shoulder, place the arm on the ground. And go deep into the stretch, placing the other arm behind your back. Enjoy the stretch. Inhale, arm up, then place it back on the mat. And nicely done. Tuck your toes. Actually, no, let's do first one more round motion with your spine. Just flow in any direction you feel. Then tuck your toes and press your hips into down dog. This is our first down dog. Keep pushing hips up towards the sky or the ceiling. Legs are straight. Now slowly walk your feet toward your hands and enjoy the forward fold. Cross your fingers behind your head and stretch. Breathe and release. Place your hands on your hips and with straight back, rise up. Nicely done. Okay, we're gonna do Surya Namaskara C, Sun Salutation, the classic version. So we're starting in Tadasana. Feet together, hip width apart, palms facing forward. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, palms in front of the heart center. Inhale, arms up, micro bend in the lower back. Exhale, folding forward, keeping the back straight. Inhale, look forward, open your chest, step your right foot back, drop your knee down. Hold your breath, step into plank. Exhale, knees, chest and chin down into Ashtanga Namaskar. Inhale, open your chest, push into Bhujangasana, Cobra pose. Exhale, tuck your toes and push hips back into Down Dog. Inhale, step your right foot forward, knee down, open your chest. And exhale, left foot to the right one, folding forward. Inhale, lift arms straight up, micro back bend, squeeze from your inner thighs. Exhale, palms in front of the heart center. And again, inhale, lift arms up, micro back bend. Exhale, folding forward, chest towards thighs. Inhale, step your left foot back, open your chest, knee down. Hold the breath, plank position. Exhale, knees, chest and chin down into Ashtanga Namaskar. Inhale, open your chest, push into Bhujangasana and exhale. Tuck your toes and push hips back into Down Dog. Inhale, step your left leg forward. Exhale, right leg follows. Folding forward. And inhale, lift arms straight up, micro back bend. And exhale, palms in front of the heart center and Tadasana. Inhale, arms up. Exhale in front of the heart center. Inhale and arms up. Micro back bend in the lower back bend. Exhale, folding forward, keeping the back straight, placing your hands beside your feet. Inhale, look forward, open your chest, step your right foot back, drop your knee. Inhale, arms up. And now exhale, open the chest, open your arms, bend the elbows, cactus arms, and release. Place your hands and step back into plank. Ashtanga Namaskar. Inhale, Bhujangasana, Cobra pose. Exhale, down dog, pushing hips up towards the sky. Inhale, right leg up, three-legged dog. Stretch. And now exhale, place your right foot between your palms and lift into Virabhadrasana 1, Warrior 1. Arms overhead. Square the hips and shoulders to the front of your mat. Chest lift. Exhale, open your arms and open your chest, cactus arms. And release. Place your hands down on the mat and plank. Ashtanga Namaskar. Knees, chest and chin down. Inhale, Bhujangasana, Cobra pose. Exhale, down dog. Inhale, step your right foot between your hands, open your chest. Exhale, left leg follows, folding forward. Inhale, arms up. Micro back bend in the lower back, squeeze from the inner thighs. Exhale, palms in front of the heart center. Inhale, lift arms up, micro back bend. Squeezing from the inner thighs. Exhale, folding forward, chest towards your hips. Inhale, step your left leg back, drop the knee down, open your chest. Lift arms straight up. Look between your palms. Exhale, open the chest, open the arms, cactus arms. Place your hands down, plank. Exhale, knees, chest and chin down, Ashtanga Namaskar. Inhale, Bhujangasana, Cobra pose. Palms on the floor. Exhale, down dog. Push heels down toward the mat, spread fingers wide. Hips up towards the sky. Keep breathing. Inhale, lift the left leg up. Three-legged stretch and then place your foot between your palms. Inhale, lift in Virabhadrasana 1, Warrior 1. Square the hips and the shoulders to the front of your mat, arms overhead, biceps frame your ears. Exhale, open the chest, cactus arms. Place your palms, hands down on the mat, plank, knees, chest and chin down. With exhale and inhale, Cobra pose. Squeeze the thighs and the buttocks, legs together. Exhale, down dog. Legs are straight. Inhale, left leg between your palms. Open the chest. And right leg follows with exhale. Inhale, arms up, micro back bend, squeezing from the inner thighs. Exhale, palms in front of the heart center. And Tadasana. Inhale into chair pose. Tuck your pelvis in. shoulders down, weight to the heels, and then slowly sit down on the mat. Grab your knees and roll down to the mat. Hug your knees. Just enjoy the stretch and the relaxation in the lower back. Place your feet flat on the mat. Lift the hips up. Keep chin untucked from the chest, feet hip width apart, bridge pose. Press feet into the mat. Align feet under knees. Keep squeezing the glutes. And release. Again, hug your knees towards your chest and enjoy the moment. One more time, lift into the bridge, hips up, keep chin untucked from the chest, feet hip width apart. Squeezing the glutes and release. Knees towards chest. And now my favorite spinal stretch. So with your right hand, press your left knee to the left and extend the opposite hand to the floor, out to the side. Try to keep both shoulder blades on the mat. Now let's repeat to the other side. So left knee in, press it to the right with your right hand. Extend the opposite hand onto the floor, out to the side, keeping both shoulders on the mat. And our last resting pose, Shavasana. Allow the whole body to become relaxed and heavy. Legs drop open, arms drop open. Let your body move deeper into a state of total relaxation. Now start slowly moving your toes and your fingers. Then rotate to the right side and press into seated position. You can keep your eyes closed. Cross your legs. Palms in front of the heart center. Rub your palms into each other. Feel the energy. Create some heat, and then place your palms in front of your face to feel the energy. Namaste.